Here's the back side of the front plate. A little less bubblegum and hot glue this time. Mounts for the back of the joypad. Original fire button. Circuit boards split up, extension wires. Yeah, wiring looks terrible, but at least it's soldered. And you'll see the front of it when I actually have it mounted in this. Assuming it fits, and I used the design program correctly. And yes, what a messy board. Alright. I'll get excuses out of the way first. I've only had the printer for like 2 weeks, and I'm not really sure what the hell happened here dimensionally, and it almost looks like there was a shift halfway through, which made everything go a little bit. You can see there's a bit of a lip right here. Currently, this is just running off a wall wart. I don't know if I even want to bother with a battery system on it, but we'll see. Let's give it some juice. So this will be the standard DTV boot up. The function keys that I tried to put, which are actually the A, B, C, D keys on the handheld, I should have kind of copied this design cue and linked the keys or buttons together. I did them all individually, and you can see, so I need to work on clearances as well. But I am happy that the joypad's working okay. And I need to get this to stay better. I'll probably just hot glue it for now because what the hell, it's still a prototype, call it stage 2. And it's always fun doing this with one hand. Wobbly as hell. Zoom in. Oh yeah, I have the directional control going okay. Oh no, it's coming again. What do I do? So comment, let me know if you want more details on this whole cluster of a project. Eventually I'm going to print out another case that looks a little bit more like the old breadbin. You can probably get an idea just because of the function keys that I have here, what I have in mind. And, you know, appropriate colors. I midway started doing some other projects. Oops, out of frame. Midway I started some other projects and used the black PLA, and I don't really see a point to switch just for the other half of a prototype case. And I still have some masking tape from the print bed stuck there. It's not snot, don't worry, I didn't sneeze all over the project. If all of this was really boring, well, maybe the time lapse will be even more boring. So enjoy.